this guy was just sitting out in the corner. Notice the matte black finish. That is nice. Matte black, I don't know if it's wrapper that's paint, but that is just something to behold. Yes, sir. Yo, check out this Porsche. I love the livery on this. Not livery, just the setup on it. Wow. So as I was talking about the MC20 Maserati. Oh, that's just magic. I think that's gonna be my new saying. That's just magic. Yes, sir. Another Bentley. Woo. These are sick. Sorry if I'm shaking. Well, this Porsche sounds real nice. Real nice. Yes, sir. Porsche. There is no substitute. Look at that. Oh, man. Which Ferrari is that Ferrari? Looks like one of the Jotech cars made it out here. Kenny, whose LP 610 is this? Looks like all the Jotech came out here. Look at the Mach 1. Seriously though. All the Jotech cars over there. God, I love this Lambo. Woo! Holy crap. I almost just passed this. GTO. Just kind of sitting here. Woo! Wow. Very nice. Check out those headlights. Woo! Wow. The Cayman GT4. Woo! Get a good shot of it. Still don't know if that's where I'm going or not. Maybe. Who knows? Just chilling. Nice. Thank you very much, sir. And we have another C8. I like that color. That color is nice.